Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine? Very good, children. So, children, I know you all were busy for your exams, second semester, and now, children, so how was the exams? I hope you all have done very well, and we have to move for our new semester, that is third semester, and with the new topic. Okay, so before that we will start a new topic. I want to tell you, I want to that you have to use your copy, new copy you have to use. You have got six sets of copies, for two for Hindi, two for English, and two for maths. So the first copy you were using for first and second semester, so now you will not use that copy and you have to use your new copy. So with the new copy you have to sit and be ready with the book and copy and pencil. Okay, so children, in that new copy you have to cover it properly, and you have to name the label. You have to properly you have to do. You have to write your name, you have to write your class and section and roll number, and you have to up to date your copy. Okay, third semester you have to write in that, and we'll start with the new topic. And you know what is new topic today? So we'll start the class. Today's new topic is 6 to 10 spellings. And 6 to 10 spellings, I know children, 1 to 5 we have finished before that. So 1 to 5 I know you know very well. You have done the exam also, and in that I have given you 1 to 5 spellings. So children, now we will start with the 6 to 10 spellings. Okay, so I will show you the all the spellings, and you have to repeat after me. Okay, so all are ready? We'll start. Okay, now first we will take number 6. Which number will come after 5? 1 to 5 you know. 1 to 5 we have done this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have done till 1 to 5. Now we have what we have to do. We have to, anyone you know children, O and E 1. This we have finished. Okay. T W O 2, T H R E 3, F O U R 4. Now children, one more spelling, that is 5. F I V E 5. Till 1 to 5 we have done. Okay. Now after 5 which number will come? 6 will come. Which number? 6. So we will start from 6. Okay. Now I will rub this, and we will start from 6 to 10. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now number will come 6. So I will show you 6 number. Okay. Now you have to see, this is which number? 6. Which number this is? 6. S I X 6. Which number children? Very good. 6. This is 6. S I X 6. Okay. Which number? Again I will repeat you. 6. S I X 6. What is the spelling of 6? S I X 6. Now children, after 6 which number will come? You know? After 6? 7. So I will stick here for you 6. Okay? Now after 6, 7 will come. Which number? This is 7. And what is the spelling of 7? In front of that it is written here. Now I will read. You have to repeat after me. S E V E N 7. What is the spelling of 7? Again I will read. S E V E N 7. Okay? Again 7. S E V E N 7. Okay? So this is 7 number. Okay? Now children, after 7, which number will come? I will paste it here. This is 7. Okay. Now after 7, this number, this is 8. After 7, which number will come? 8. And what is the spelling of 8? E I G H T 8. Repeat it. E I G H T 8. Once again. Again. E I G H T 8. This is the spelling of 8. Okay. So this is 8. Once more I will repeat. 8. E I G H T 8. You have to repeat. Okay. When I am telling you, when I am saying, you have to repeat after me. Once more. E I G H T 8. Okay. Now after 8, which number will come? Now children, after 8, 9 number will come. Okay. So this is 9. This number is 9. Okay. N-I-N-E 9. Okay. Say again. N-I-N-E 9. Which number? N-I-N-E 9. 9. What is the spelling of 9? Again you have to repeat. N-I-N-E 9. Okay. Now after 9, this is 10. 1 0 10. What is the spelling of 10? T-E-N 10. This is small spelling now. T-E-N 10. Say again. T-E-N 10. Say again children. T-E-N 10. So we have done 6 to 10 spelling. Okay. Now again you have to see on the board. I have written here. I have sticked here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 to 10 spelling will come in your third semester. So again you have to repeat 6, S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E-N 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, 9, N-I-N-E 9, 10, T-E-N 10. Now children, you have to see your book. In your book, this is given page number 29. You can see here, it is given 1 to 10 spelling. 1 to 5 we have finished, and here down you can see 6 to 10 spelling is given in your book. So you have to complete this page, and next page you can see the match. It is given this 1 to 5 we have finished match, and now we have to match 6 to 10 number. It is mixed number. It is written in one of the side, and here you can see the objects. First you have to count the objects, and then you have to write the number in the box, and you have to match it. Okay. So I will do for you, and now you can see first is, now you can see here object. I will show you. Now you can see first hearts are given here. Can see? Okay. So we'll count 1. How many hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many hearts this is? 10. So we have to write in the box 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. You can see 1 0 10. Okay. Now second object we will count. These are mobiles. So how many mobiles here you can see? Here you can see mobiles. Okay. Now we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many mobiles are? 8. So in the box you have to write here 8 mobiles. Okay. You have to write the number of 8 in this mobile here box you can see. So you have to write here 8. Okay. Now down you can see the balls. How many balls? We'll count 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many? 6 balls. So you have to in the box you have to write number 6. Okay. I have written here. You can see 6. Now children, down we'll go. Flowers are there. You can see. We have to count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many flowers? Again I will count for you. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you have to write the number in the box here 9. You can see I have written the 9 number. You can see 9 number. Okay. Now down we will come. We can see here balls are one fruit is there. You can see we have to count it. How many fruit? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many? 7. So we have to write here in the box 7 number. So I have written here 7. You can see it is visible for you. Okay. Now what we have to do children? We have to match it. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to match it. And how we will match it? We have to see the number and we have to see the spellings here written here already. You can see the spellings. So we will do this matching. Okay. Now how we will do this matching? 10. So where is 10 spelling? We have to read it here. It is written in the small letter and you have not studied small letter. So now 10 spellings we can see here down TEN 10 with the capital letter. I will write for you here 10 TEN 10. Okay. Dear parents, please help them for writing. In front of that you can write or down also you can write. First spelling is EIGHT. Now you have not learned the small letters, so I am writing with the capital letter. You will do the matching. So 6 here, SIX 6. Okay. You can write and you can match. Now here 7, SEVEN 7. And for 9, NINE 9. Now easily you can match because you have studied only capital letters. So now you have to, Mama will write for you here capital letters and you have to see the number and you have to read the spelling and you have to match it. Okay, how you will do? 10. So where is 10? Here we will read. We will start from first spelling EIGHT 8. You can see here I have written EIGHT 8. So this is not. This is 10 only. So again you can see 6 SIX 6. This is also not. TEN 10. Now 10 you have to match. You have to go with 10 here. Okay, like this you have to match it. Now children, next number is 8. 8 mobiles. So first we have read here 8 spelling EIGHT 8. So you have to go with 8. Okay. Now you can see here 6 balls. Okay. So you can see the 6 number. Where is your second number? SIX 6. Parents, please write for them capital letters because they have not learned small letters. So they have to go with the capital letters. Okay. Here you can see 9 flowers. So you have to go with 9. So we'll read this SEVEN 7. So this is 7 now. Now we'll go next spelling NINE 9. So this is 9. You have to go with this and you have to match it. Okay. Now the last one is some fruits are one kind of fruits are. So you have to read it. 1, you have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So with 7 number is here. 1 is only left. So SEVEN 7. You have to go with 7. So we have completed this match, and this book 1 is for your homework. You have to write homework this. Okay. Match we have done. If you have if you have book, you have done this, and in copy I will give you homework. Okay. In copy 1 page you have to write 6 to 10 spellings. I will show you in the copy how to write in the copy. Now children, you can see here the copy. It is visible. I have written here up, you can see here you have to write the date. Here you have to write the topic. And beautifully you have to write. Please write topic. What you are writing down, that topic you have to write up here. Okay. So I have written here spell number 6 to 10. You also have to write from book. You can see spell number 6 to 10. You can see the page number. Here it is written spell numbers 1 to 10. But you have to write 6 to 10. Okay. In the copy. So in the copy you have to write like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Serial wise you have to write. First you have to write 6, then 7, then you have to write 8, then you have to write 9, then we'll go for 10. Okay. So like this you have to write, and in front of that you have to write the spelling of 6 to 10. So this is your copy work I have shown you. Now you have to, this is your homework. 6 to 10 you have to write. I will give in the PDF. You have to write like this, like Miss has written beautifully. You have to also up to date. Please dear parents, I am requesting you, please you don't write. You have to make them to write. Okay. आप अपने बच्चे से बोलिए वो खुद से लिखे, आप नहीं लिखेंगे. Now children, we have finished this class. So study well, prepare well, and up to date your copy. Once again I am telling. And dear parents, please tell them to write on their own, and please don't help them. You just help in some way, but you make them to write. Okay. So children, take care, be healthy. Okay. So take care. God bless you. Bye.